Hi guys, let's see how to fix this issue where your Apple Watch is auto answering your phone calls. So basically this is a feature in your accessibility section. You have to turn it off. So just press this crown button and then you have to tap on this gear shaped icon, settings. Now once you press on this settings, it opens up like this. Now you have to scroll down and find accessibility. Okay, tap on accessibility and now scroll down and you'll find auto answer calls. Tap on it and just turn it off. Okay, and your problem will be fixed. If it's still not fixed, make sure it is turned off in your phone as well. So open the watch app on your phone and then scroll down and find accessibility here also and find auto answer calls here also, and make sure this is turned off here as well. Thanks for watching. Please do like.